Hello everyone, this project is object detection using ultrasonic sensor and Arduino. In this project we are going to learn about ultrasonic sensor, interfacing it with Arduino and buzzer. Whenever the object gets nearer to ultrasonic sensor and crosses the boundary we have set in the code, the buzzer turns on or else buzzer will be low. Coming to what is ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor emits sound waves and calculates the distance from the object and the sensor. It works by emitting sound waves at high frequency that humans cannot hear. It basically calculates the time of sound traveling from ultrasonic sensor to object back and forth. This procedure is commonly seen in radar measurements. Ultrasonic sensor works on the basic formula of speed, that is speed is equals to distance by time. To find the distance, speed is multiplied with the time, where time is the delay between the object and the sensor. As it is traveling 2 times the original distance, we are dividing the speed into time by 2 so that we can get the original value. Here time is the delay between the object and sensor, and speed is the speed of the sound, which is 343 meter per second at 20 degrees Celsius. It varies depending upon the temperature and humidity. In this case, I am using or setting the boundary as 10 units. Whenever objects gets closer than or less than or equals to 10, then the buzzer gets high or else the buzzer will be low. Coming to the connections, we are using ultrasonic sensor, buzzer and Arduino. VCC, trigger, echo, ground are the 4 pins ultrasonic sensor has, and VCC of ultrasonic sensor is connected to the 5 volts of Arduino board. Trigger of ultrasonic sensor is connected to the 9th pin of Arduino board. Echo pin is connected to 10th pin, and ground is connected to the ground of the breadboard. Coming to the buzzer, the positive of the buzzer is connected to 11th pin of Arduino board and negative pin is connected to ground of the breadboard. Ground of the Arduino board is connected to the ground of the breadboard, making this line as common ground for every sensor. Going in depth to the sensor, ultrasonic sensor, I am using HCSR04. It has 4 pins VCC, which takes the power supply plus 5 volts typically, and trigger pin is an input pin which is kept high for 10 microseconds to initialize measurement by sending ultrasonic wave. Echo pin is an output pin. This pin goes high for a period of time which will be equal to the time taken for the ultrasonic wave to return back to the sensor. Ground pin is connected to the ground of the system. HCSR04 has features of operating voltage of 5 volts, and it can measure theoretically from 2 centimeters to 450 centimeters, but practically it measures up to 2 centimeters to around 80 to 100 centimeters, and its accuracy is 3 millimeters. Measuring angle covered is 15 degrees. Operating frequency is at 440 Hz, and operating current is less than 15 milliamps. This can be used in the submarines and finding the distance of object in the oceans. Coming to the connections and working, ground of the both pins are connected to the ground with green and blue wire, and red is the common ground from the ground uh, ground of Arduino board, and 5 volts is connected to orange pin, which is given to the VCC of ultrasonic sensor. Trigger and echo are connected to 9th and 10th pin. Buzzer is connected with blue pin, blue wire from buzzer positive to 11th pin. These are the connections. And coming to the working. Coming to the code, I have used 3 variables: trigger pin, echo, buzzer of constant integer type, and declared them 9, 10, 11 because trigger pin is connected to 9th pin of no Arduino board, and echo pin is connected to 10th pin, and buzzer is connected to 11th pin. I'm using 2 other variables, duration and distance, of long and integer type respectively. In the setup, I am changing or setting the pin mode of trigger pin as output, pin mode of echo as input, buzzer as output. Coming to the loop, whenever the loop starts, I am making the trigger pin low because it may be higher when the loop is starting, so I am making it as low and waiting for 2 milliseconds, and again I am making trigger pin high for 10 milliseconds. Again I am making it as low and counting the pulse or counting the echo using pulsing function and the arguments as from echo pin and high, which calculates the duration from which we can calculate the distance. Duration is 2 times the distance between the object and the sensor. So I am dividing it by 2 and multiplying it by 0.034, which is the speed of the sound. Here the basic formula is speed is equals to distance by time. So here distance is 2 times, so I am dividing it by 2 and multiplying the speed by 0.034 so that we can get the distance between the object and the sensor. I am keeping the distance variable in the if condition to check or to create a boundary of 10 units. Whenever the object is in between 0 to or equals to 10, then the buzzer gets high. When the object is not less than or equals to 10, then the buzzer gets low. And you can parallelly see the distance on the serial monitor using serial.print and for println using distance variable. This is the code. I am going to connect Arduino to my PC and dump my code into the Arduino board, and I have successfully dumped my code. And now whenever the object gets near or less than 10 units of ultrasonic sensor, the buzzer starts beeping. While we observe the monitor, I'm opening the serial monitor and you can see the distance is greater than 10, that is 30, in the range of 30s. And now I'm going to bring my hand closer to ultrasonic sensor. As you can see, the values are less than 10, so the buzzer is ringing. Whenever I remove my hand, the buzzer stops buzzing, and the value on the screen is above 10, that is 32, and this 31, 32 is the distance of my body to ultrasonic sensor. If I move away, then it will calculate the value of distance between the sensor and wall behind me. And let's check once again. And when I keep my hand out of my table, it does not make a sound. This is my project. You can find the source code from the article link in the description. Thank you.